We begin with the softest layer. Listen to the texture of these gentle bristles.
Now we sketch the details,
defining the contours. Listen to the texture of the silent pressure.
First touch of water.
We combine the elements. Listen to the texture of the wet bristles, like painting with watercolors.
Creating
The final polish. Listen to the texture of this natural sponge absorbing gentle, rinsing rain. Listen to the texture of the mist, letting the air finish the work. Listen to the texture of the final varnish. Listen to the texture of this protective, silent glide.